called railways. You think I'm your captured spirit because I blew you 3 kisses as I drove away. You have this feeling because you're a natural-born winner, and you mistakenly wonder if I'm a possible loser. You picture me in a shabby situation and filled with desperation, until you decided to shine your saving light into my life. I'm not a loser, and I'm not one to encounter situations I haven't angularly surveyed, and least of all am I your captured spirit. I run the wheels of choice like a fast train, riding the tracks of truth. Even though your disguise is quite excellent, I can tell you're not a scheduled stop on my